What is cracking, guys? Decided to turn the camera on tonight. It's late Saturday evening here in the UK, but I've been fighting a bit of man flu for the last few days, feeling super rough, as you can probably tell by my face. But I just wanted to upload this video to, one, show the kind of compilation, the big mashup edit of the Rush 360 challenge, which turned out to be probably one of the biggest jump rope challenges across social media. If I kind of failed to kind of add you on this video, really sorry. Comment below if I missed you. But I just wanted to show my gratitude and thanks in today's video. I just feel really rough and I haven't had a chance to kind of upload kind of what I had on my list this week. So I'm going to be hopefully firing on all cylinders next week, and we're going to get back at it. But I also wanted to share with you guys a unique discount code, a 20% discount code on our website, just again to show my thanks, my complete 100% gratitude for everyone who's helping me build this brand, help me do what I love on a day-to-day basis. And it just means a lot, guys. Like, a lot of sacrifice, a lot of time has gone into this, and I think my body's just, yeah, it's just basically shutting down on me, of just pure exhaustion of day in, day out, just doing what I'm doing right now. But listen, this is not a sob story. I want to make this video short and sweet. The edit is absolutely epic, but if you guys do want to get involved, become legendary, like I always say, pick up anything you want on the website. We've got real killer gear at the moment. Just get 20% off right now. Use the code LOYAL20 right now. I'm going to keep it live for about a week or two. So if you're watching this and you are one of my loyal fans and loyal supporters and have just helped me support, then please go down to the website, buy what you need for your loved ones, whatever it is, even if it's like a Valentine's gift for your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Just get involved. I really appreciate it. And yeah, big hug. Let me just have a big hug. Big hug. I feel super blessed, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this edit. We're going to be doing more challenges as always, so sit back, relax, enjoy it, and yeah, I'm going to see you in that next video. We're going to go straight in with a tutorial, hopefully Monday or Tuesday. Hopefully I'll be feeling a lot more better. So guys, comment down below, let me know what you want to see going forward as always, and stay blessed, stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next one. So peace.
Woke up and just felt right, phone blown like a tailpipe. Today's schedule airtight, I turn a short day into a long night. See you soon if you got the heart, meet you outside Rennie Park. Hurry up if it's getting dark, won't say much and that says a lot. Hop into that old Benz, drive through that road ends. Good time with some old friends, I got just a thing if you so tense. Let's go do some, she got me stoned as Medusa. Zoned out with a blank stare, I'm looking into the future. Hold up, ain't nothing gon' hold us, put the devil to the side, got an angel on my shoulder, and I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing, I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow, I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow, every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow, I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow, every day I keep it mellow. And I'm bored again. When that 40 in, when that dream team all played out and they hit the bench, I just step back, let me soak it in. I seen the ups and downs, so I get it now. I was born to win. It's my time, about time, my turn, I can't lie. Waiting for that one